The next topic we shall be covering is winds. First question that might come to your mind when thinking about winds is, what causes them? Well, the sun. But the sun does not cause only winds. The sun is the major source of energy for wind, air, ocean currents, and the hydraulical cycle. All of those. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does it cause those? Well, we're gonna explain that. The sun heats up the water, causing the hydraulical cycle. Think about it. So if the sun heats up the water that's on the surface, and that goes to the clouds, and the clouds put it back onto the surface, what's causing that? The sun. So, we're going to continue. Wind is caused by differences in air pressure. Differences in air pressure are caused by unequal heating of the atmosphere. So, what heats what the unequal differences in heating of the atmosphere? Caused by the sun. Next would be what it called thermal energy transfers in the atmosphere and ocean cause currents. So what causes the thermal energy transfers? The sun. So that's how I explained how it causes all those things. Now we're going to continue. Okay, so we're going to go off of wind back onto the wind. How can we measure wind? Well, anemometer. The anemometer helps us measure wind. How does that work? Well, wind speed can be measured with an anemometer by using the wind to move the 3 to 4 cups, I put 4 on my little graph there, mounted at the ends of the spokes and spin on an axle, which is measured by a meter connected to the axles, which shows the wind speed. So the wind makes it move, and then eventually meter, will tell you what the wind speed is. So, another thing to talk about when we're talking about wind is wind chill. So, you might know wind chill by thinking of snow days. You might have just missed it because the wind chill wasn't enough. Well, I actually figured out that the Strongsville City Schools do consider the wind chill when deciding if school is canceled. If the wind chill and the temperature are below negative 15 degrees Fahrenheit, the school is canceled. So, just a little factor. Now we're going to go on to the two biggest pictures of this. Local winds and global winds. We're going to first talk about local winds. What are local winds? Well, the increasing and cooling... local winds are caused by unequal heating of Earth's surface within a small area. They're local, which cause a wind that blows over short distances such as sea, land, mountain, and valley breezes. Well, I need a graph to represent the sea breezes. So the cool air comes in from there and takes the warm air's place, which is moving up, which causes winds, local winds. We're going to talk about the bigger winds, which are global winds, which are represented by this graph here. Global winds are caused by unequal heating of the Earth's surface within a large area, which cause the wind that blows steadily from specific directions over long distances, such as tropical easterlies and trade winds, prevailing westerlies, and polar easterlies. They are separated by doldrums, which are very low pressure areas along the equator. So I made this graph. As you can see, there's the polar easterlies, the prevailing westerlies, the tropical easterlies, and the doldrums, which there's a bunch of them. And these all repeat onto the other side. So, as you can see with the local winds, it's sort of the same cycle, but more specific and on a bigger scale. So, what should you take from this? The sun is the major source of energy for wind, air, and ocean currents and the hydraulical cycle. Local winds are local, they're in smaller areas. Global winds are bigger, they're in bigger areas. The anemometer can measure wind speed, and wind chill is the increased cooling that a wind causes. There's the big picture, and we are done.